Okay? And Brock wants to give a little tribute to one of his friends. So please go right ahead, Brock. Take as long as you want to do this tribute to your friend.
Sure. So one of my a friend of mine, Ivan Stebbins, um, when I first bought my cottage up north, he one time told my wife, "Go get your husband right now. Go get your husband," and he wanted to tell me that he listens to the Tom Matt show and he had heard me on the show. So Ivan just recently passed away. He was 92, I believe 92 or 93 years of age. And he was a staple up in Mackinac City or along Wadham Beach. And the ironic thing was he was our next door neighbor up there, but he lived about 4 miles from us here. He lived in Delta Township. And I would see him at Aldi all the time. And Ivan was a great man, a very giving man, World War II veteran, and he recently passed away. And so I went to his funeral, but I just wanted to pay tribute to him publicly. So if somebody's listening to this and they know Ivan, I hope it brings a smile. He was such a kind man, a giving man, and American hero, in fact. And so if you had the pleasure of knowing Ivan, please smile as he would want you to, and just bask in a moment of maybe a friendship that you shared with him. So
Very well done. Thank you for doing that. And I appreciate that. I was thinking as you were started to say this, I'm like, is this the gentleman who this was before you were even sponsoring the show that you
yep,
heard us? You were still a guest, just a reality real estate, and that's what kind of cemented it in your head that your friend heard you, and that's the way it works with this stuff, you guys. I mean, so Ivan, thank you. Thank your family for what you've done and helping us with Brock and being Brock's friend. Because if you're Brock's friend, you're my friend. And 92 years old, you know what? If we can make it that far, everybody, you done good. You done
yes.
real good. And so that means you've impacted a lot of people. And so that was well done. Thank you, Brett, for doing that. We've had some serious talk about mentoring people, young people, and older people as well. And when you have a student athlete like Ian Thompson, and we'll mention Ian today, talk about him a little bit because he was going to join us. We'll get him on the next episode, hopefully. And because I'm
Yeah.
really close with Ashton and Darian Harris and all the crew over there at Michigan State University Athletics, and you know all those guys as well. We're all very tight with them. Please talk about Ian, some of his qualities. What brought him into your mentorship in your role as his mentor?
Yeah, and he's out. So he's out on an appointment with one of our agents right now, and
As
they're
he
not going to be
as
back
he
in time,
should
as
be,
he should
brother.
be. Yep. So Ian's a track guy at Michigan State. He's part of the track team, and he runs the 100 meter. That's his event,
Wow.
and so he's a sophomore, really hard worker. So our internship program has graduated just from the football program, and now it's available for all student athletes. And so our new people are starting now, but Ian's hit the ground running, and he's already making lead generation calls. He's going on appointments. He's learning how to search for properties, and I've taken him on several appointments already where he's made a difference on the appointment in terms of just communicating with the client. So his aspirations in the long term are commercial real estate. He's pursuing a degree in finance, but he's studying for the real estate course right now with me. And so we have 5 or 6 new people, and then of course we've got some interns that have been with us. This will be their 3rd year with us, in fact. And some of our alumni, if you will, so Trey Mosley, who was with us for 2.5 years, and now he's the Cincinnati Bengal, and Kendall Brooks, who we had 1 year with Kendall. He spent a lot of time with us. He signed a free agent deal with the Cardinals, and that didn't pan out. He got cut the last day. He's been signed by the Indianapolis Colts, and he's going to work hard to make that roster. And he's also pursuing his real estate license in the state of North Carolina. So, my goals are really clear. It's to develop talent, whether they stay with me forever or not, and to help them launch to whatever their wildest dreams are. I'm a possibilities guy, right? If you tell me your dream and you show me your intensity to achieve it, I will pretty much do everything in my power to help you win.
What else? Having a friend like Brock Fletcher and his team and Mike Dedman and all the people out there is so awesome and so wonderful. I just can't say enough about it. So I want to thank Brock for coming out for his 20th visit. Again, if you just listen to the whole show, you know that we didn't really talk that much about real estate. We talked, he made it very tight and very concise, but we talked more about people and how we need to help the world get better. And that's what we do here. And I'm so down with this stuff, you guys. I can't even tell you. That's why they do the hashtag dad talks. That's why I do the Papa Tom stuff. That's why I love them so much, all of them. So great. So until next time, Papa Tom Bat Show. Thank you so much for watching, listening, subscribing, doing all those good things. Peace out. Love y'all. Talk to you later. I'm Papa Tom.